Priyanka. I was not sure about what to do after my masters. I just randomly saw your page in Instagram. I just enrolled it and joined in your group. I was not confident. I do overthink in small issues and have anger issues. But after joining in your 3 months diploma course, I came to know that these are very minute problems which can be solved by myself. I can see a lot of change in myself in these 3 months. And I'm proud to say that I am a Psychian now. I truly appreciate your you and your time you spent helping us to learn new things, and you truly care about your students. Thank you, ma'am.